Friends, I assume that you may have seen my first video related with professional roles and responsibilities of CBSE school principal. In continuation of same, this is second video. Friends, all of you know that principal is the leader of CBSE school in all matters. Leadership means leading a group of people or an organization. It is often said that one may be a born leader, but leadership is a skill that is acquired, developed, and honed over period of time. Friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, educational leader and educational speaker. Today, I will discuss about leadership competencies of a CBSE school principal. Like and subscribe my channel to get latest educational update. Watch till the end to get maximum benefit and share it among your friends. Friend, first capacity is be a leader, not boss. Sometimes school principal can be soaked in power, bossism. My way is the only style of functioning. This is not good. I suggest, friend, be leader, not boss. Let me show you what are the major differences between a boss and leader. A boss drives employee, whereas a leader coaches employees. Boss depends on authority, whereas principal is dependent on, or better to say, leader is dependent on goodwill. Boss inspire fear, but leader generate enthusiasm. Boss says I, leader says we. Boss places blame for the breakdown, leader fixes the breakdown. Boss knows how it is to be done, leader shows how it is to be done. Boss uses people, leader coaches people. Boss takes credit, leader gives credit. Boss commands, leader asks. Boss says go, leader says let us go. In school, people prefer leader than boss. So leader have to develop many competencies to work with vice principal, to work with teachers, to work with administrative staff, support staff, transport staff. Second capacity is principal should connect with the world by having broad mindset, develop strategies, effective interpersonal communication, gather and assimilate information, initiate talk with planning, champion change. Capacities third. A principal should have capacity to inspire and motivate others by connecting and having empathy with others, set goals, has lucid vision, communicate effectively, communicate perfectly, develop others, collaborate, believe in and practice teamwork, nurture innovation, is a strong role model. Capacities related with technical and professional expertise. Principal should resolve issues, develop relationship, communicate effectively, strive for excellence, take initiative, build competency in others, is honest and full of integrity, puts team interest first. Self development capacities. Principal should listen intently, is open to ideas, respect others, give feedback for development, ready to take challenge. Capacities to establish goal. Principal should be ready to take risk, develop strategies, plans effectively, gains the support of others, is decisive, has technical and business expertise, target result. Capacities for collaboration. Principal should be trustworthy, develop relationship, believes in and carries on inclusion and value diversity, adapt to change, inspire and motivate others, develop others. Capacities related with resolving issues. Principal should be organized and good at planning, is decisive, innovative, always ready to take challenge, act independently as well as jointly, has technical expertise, communicate powerfully and broadly. Capacities to communicate powerfully and positively. Principal should inspire and motivate others. Develop strategic perspective, establishes goal, deal effectively with challenges, involves others, translates messages for clarity, solve problems and analyze issues. Capacities to champion change. Principal should innovate, focus on result, is willing to take risk and challenge the status quo. Capacities to innovate. Principal should take initiative and planned risk. Support others in taking planned risk and accepting challenge. Solve problems. Bring conducive changes. Learn from success and failure. Friends, develop these capacities and keep on evaluating, upgrading, and updating yourself to face the challenges of this profession. Never surrender before any problem. Watch next part to get more update about this profession.